Hey guys, I'm Abir from Munez Studio. Today we will learn how to design a pouch in Adobe Illustrator following the client's brief. This will be a tutorial series of how to become an expert packaging designer. I will show you how you can understand the brief and utilize that in the design. The packaging design is basically organizing the text nicely so it looks good to the eyes. It's not necessary to have imagery or illustrations to create beautiful packaging designs. You can make high class modern designs with good typography only as well. I will show you a sample project brief today and will create a design following that. As you can see the project brief, whenever you get a brief from the client, the first thing you need to do is read this several times to understand what is the product is, for what category, and who are the audiences are, what will be the focal point of the design, etc. It is really important to know about the product to make an impactful design. In this brief, they have provided all the information that the pouch will have, so I will copy the necessary text from this, but before that, we will check the brand guide that they have provided. In this section, inspiration, they said that they like the design of the can on page 9 in the brand guide, which is a big point for us to create the design based on that. In the brand guide, they have provided all the font names, color codes, and the logo, etc. So it will help us a lot to create the design. 190 mm width and 260 mm height. Now select the rectangle tool and click on the artboard. A pop-up window will appear. Use the given dimension in the brief. Align it in center. Now I will copy the color code from the brand guide for the background. Now I will copy the logo from the brand guide. I will move it to the top and will adjust the size. Now I will copy the product name and will paste it here. Make it center align and change the font color to white and resize it. Now I will copy and paste the main three ingredients in the center. Make a copy of it by dragging it while holding the Alt and Shift key. Now copy the other two ingredients and replace them here. Let's place all the text first, then we will arrange them later. Now copy and paste the three important declarations, and we will use three icons for these, which will make the design pop. Then add the number of sachets the packet will have. Now it's time to organize the text. I will break the product name in two lines to make it the most important part of this design. Then I will change the font and will increase the size. Then I will change the font for other text as well. I will make the number big and bold, then the next underneath. Let's add a vertical lines between these three key ingredients to give them a separation. It will be easier for the consumer to understand that these are the three key ingredients. Now I will arrange this bottom part. Will make the number bigger than everything. Now I will add the logo icon on this background and will reduce the opacity to make it look like the can design that we have seen earlier in the page 9 of the brand guide. We will make some adjustments with it to find perfect placement. Once you get the right placement, now make a clipping mask and reduce the opacity. Now it's time to add the icons for these three declarations. You can find these icons in Google for free. as we are using it for practice purpose, so there will be no copyright issue. I will copy these two icons from here and then we'll make some adjustments to fit them in the design. First, I will ungroup them and then select the white circle and make it as a stroke, then make it bigger than the black circle. Now copy the first text and select the type in the Path tool, then make sure to select the white border. Then select the Type in the Path tool and then click on the bottom anchor point of the white circle. Basically, we will write on that white border above the black circle. Now adjust the font size and make sure to have the paragraph centered align. Now change the icon color to white. Our first icon is done. Now copy this icon 2 times and then we will simply update the icon and text. It will save our time. For the keto friendly icon, we will put an avocado in the center. I have downloaded the icon. Now I will do some adjustments. All the icons are ready. Now select them all and resize them and place them in the center. Now it's time to add the flavor name. So I will copy this rectangular shape and then help of the direct selection tool, I will make it triangular shape to place it on the bottom left corner. Then I will select a suitable color for the flavor. Now write the flavor name and resize it to finalize the design. Our design is ready now. Thank you for watching this full process. If you have any questions regarding this design process, feel free to leave a comment and I will answer them. Until we come up with another tutorial, be healthy, be safe. Take care. Bye bye.